Janet with Radiant Realty, and I am so excited to share 203 Clark Fork Road with you today. This property is located in Herrin, Montana, a small community with a post office, a couple churches, and a community center. Just 20 miles to the north, you'll find the Trail of the Cedars, Bull Lake. A little further on, you'll find Kootenai Falls and the Swinging Bridge. And if you do get a taste for the city life, you can head across the border to Sandpoint, Idaho, or head south to Thompson Falls. Herrin is located in a valley surrounded by beautiful mountains with a river running through it. This property has 80 acres, a fully stocked spring-fed pond, which you can hear bubbling in the background, with a gazebo next to it to enjoy those beautiful views. So come along with me and let's go take a tour. The one-bedroom, one-bathroom home features cedar siding and a tin roof for durability and longevity. As you enter the front door, you're greeted by the open concept dining room, kitchen, and living area. To the front of the home is the one-bedroom with beautiful mountain views out the bay window. And to the back of the home, you'll find a dual-purpose bathroom and laundry room with a soaker tub for those chilly Montana nights. And do keep in mind as you view this home that it does come fully furnished. As you can see, this property is truly only limited by your imagination. So whether you're a horse lover, a developer, or you just want a special legacy property that's going to remain within your family for generations to come, this is definitely a piece of property to check out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I would be happy to answer those. Again, I'm Janet with Radiant Realty, brokered by eXp, and I would love to answer any questions that you have.